Ever want to look something up without having to look it up? This baby will do the trick.
This app, it just sucks you in. Aw. Wait, can dogs really eat sushi?
I have no idea. But you know who does? Alexa.
Alexa, can dogs eat sushi?
Sushi is generally not poisonous to dogs, but can contain ingredients like
Alexa, what time is sunset? Alexa, how many days until National Kazoo Day? Alexa, what's the spiciest pepper? Alexa, are Gemini and Sagittarius compatible?
According to reference.com, Gemini and Sagittarius are an extremely compatible match.
What doesn't Alexa know?
Alexa, what does FYP mean?
FIP stands for the For You page on the massively popular short video app, TikTok.
What?
The next time a question pops up, you know who to ask. Alexa, how'd you get so smart?
Lots of people have worked hard to teach me and I'm still learning more.